Ofoso Ampofo the case no finally say it has started in court. Now I'm bringing you the latest on this. Now, if and the your first time I'm subscribe and click the notification bell no, and not end the screen so see we latest news be about once ebeka. The AC here court and it's a recording be. Now let me explain matters. Leak tape eba bonten say NDC4 especially nipa yete ne voice Ofoso Ampofo share enyama bone afa nkrofo bi hu ewo Ghana ha sei no the see e say journalist bi a wo ye adwuma ema multimedia wo frɛ NDC4 wo mo deputy communication minister deputy communication officer a ye frɛ no Kweku Boahen na journalist no ebisa Kweku Boahen say Kweku yate say audio recording bi ekoso na enkrofo ababonten eka okay so after na NDC4 nyamba abonten embe deny say Ofoso Ampofo nti journalist ni bisa say Kweku Boahen yate say na nipa ko a wo kasa wo sa audio ne so no ana sa leak tape ne so no obetumi atre yen say Ofoso Ampofo ana Kweku Boahen ebie na no etre say ane Ofoso Ampofo. And a journalist ni bisa say Kweku Boahen inti meet na mo ye ana e no say NDC mpanyufo ne de wo mo ataye meeting. And a journalist ni bisa say inti audio we eba abonten time ben hu date ben hu meeting e na mo ye. And a Kweku Boahen ka tre journalist ni say audio we de ne de me nim date kura ye hu meeting but voice ne de Kweku Ofoso Ampofo na ekasa ye wono no ka sansem no me meeting bi ase no ka sansem no na me nim date kra sa meeting no me to me actual because we be a week it to me meetings be 2-3 ene nyama emergency meetings ne nyama so to me trade date kra Ofoso Ampofo ka sansem no the particular meeting date to me enter na journalist nepa won frɛ Ofoso Ampofo ankasa no won bisa no na eho na NDC4 after na NDC4 sha say omo de asem na enam say eni Ofoso Ampofo doctor tape wan ka hwe wo so enyo na tre say Kweku Boahen no ne ho ayeden akwakodim nti asem no ebaaye CID for investigation no CID for first witness journalist ya wo bisa Kweku Boahen asemi wo multimedia so no. First, they see and it's a journalist no, and say na ansem ne kono, wo ye na dwen krase na nka won ko biom. Wo ye na dwen say won ko stand as a witness for the prosecutors. But obi nim I think say ni tape no today it was admitted as evidence. Into no journalist no prosecutors no wo mo first witness. Inti wo mo ya say wo mo frɛ asem no and I say womo ebo tape no ewo court Kweku Boahen any journalist ne interview no. And why they did that and they said the prosecution team no they want the judges to know say sansema Ofoso Ampofo can say enyo no entro na indeed it is him or it was him on the tape. And now the entire womo person womo share and say even on the crowd wa ben Ofoso Ampofo yabeka say we NDC4 one of the top executives kra I can send be say interview so inti e ho no wo mo interview no court na judges ne hu say ne kra NDC4 kra na NDC mpanyimfo bi agitu mu first say Ofoso Ampofo ansa na wo mo besesa wo mo ano inti prosecution ne de wo mo no inti esan say wo mo bo sa recording no court for now. It will be a big implication on Kweku Boahen because it's here Kweku Boahen no Ofoso Ampofo na kasa na charge omo. It will be a big implication on them no. Kweku Boahen lawyer na dwen say die wo beye bia judge say assembly wo mo mfa as evidence no wo mo beye. Iti yebo audio no court na Kweku Boahen the lawyer sorry judge any objection and I say na judge na bo asem negu so masa objection overruled. Sa ena wo mobori enti enda me ne wo ka say that tape has been accepted today as an evidence against eye Kweku Boahen ene Ofosu Ampofo in court. Na judge no asanso aje ni case no akọ March 12 2020. Na judge wo di asem ye friend Samuel Asiedu or court of appeal eho ena wo wasanso high court judge that you say wasanso ye high court judge. Into no eno ene nsema what we are expecting on March 12 and say Ofosu Ampofo ne lawyers no they are expected to cross-examine Ampofo Eje. Now Ampofo Eje is the journalist now ye accept say the interview no and in court no into the basically say Ofosu Ampofo ene Kweku Boahen or lawyers no mo be cross examination on Ampofo Eje. Actually, I say, into na assembly there, I feel say be PPA because on be cross examination, no be say bisan nsem, into no mo nsem abo mo be bisan be hu na say oh ebia interview no say into no can say into no can say into no can say, and this should be very very interesting. The cross I actually wait to see how the cross examination will turn out. It should be very very interesting. The cross examination no, it should be very very interesting. Into no any nsem and so there are some few facts on this particular matter I want to read to you. One, according to prosecution, following the Ayawaso West Wogon by-election on January 31st, 2019, Ofosu Ampofo share NDC communicators on February 3rd. It was also say February 3rd meeting now Ofosu Ampofo here with NDC communicators and no recording and about bonting. Say Ofosu Ampofo say yenye EC electoral commission ni say peace council yenye omu say omu say February 3rd. So those are the facts that prosecution team no one the two court nim. Now their fact even explained say ewo meeting na se no Kweku Boahen kra no wo because Kweku na say Kweku Boahen kra ba bonte ka say time na wo mo yes a particular meeting kra no oni ho. But prosecution team na tre say meeting as in Kweku Boahen was there. Now Kweku Boahen any Ofosu Ampofo krana womo dey adwempo ne bae they set out a road map of criminal activities including violence na here can on the EC chairperson Jane Mensah chairman of the National Peace Council Most Reverend Professor Emmanuel Asante ransem ni na yesi Kweku Boahen. That's what the prosecution team believe. Say Kweku Boahen ene Ofosu Ampofo na e boss e trimpo no interna ende Kweku Boahen so ogina court ho. You know, their fact also shows say that followed or that preceded the leaking of the tape. Na see the for air trace and anka tape no en leak here. Na ko mo de wo munya ho kwan say wo mo koye investigation bia. Inti tape na leak here no ene mo investigation mo hu say asem no ne crack nkofo wo ma serious. Ene ye for mo enkonko gina court. Inti eno ene nsem a eba. Na me pese munya mo tremo adwen on this particular thing. This will be very frustrating for some people, I tell you. Very very frustrating, especially when 2020 is an election year. Just imagine NDC phone here one chairman, party chairman. NDC phone here one party chairman 2020. And to be fair, last year, ever since that particular idea we about Abonte no, that audio recording way about Abonte ever since about Abonte last year no, I can tell you for a fact Osha akwai say Ofosu Ampofo na wayera was seeing ni kakra, and it is a plus for the MPP. It is a plus for the MPP because we are NDC for the party structure, even I mean all the political parties, general secretary, chairman. This is the case where your chairman has a court case against the government and against the states, and so you cannot Ofosuampofo against the states. Ebetumi aba na say okay asem no wo court. Ebetumi aba na say ebia dey bia mo behia Ofosuampofo pa dey bia ebia mo ye serious campaign bia mo hia Ofosuampofo wo bon say na afeye e wo say wo court e wo assembly so. You see how this will worry the NDC. Hey, asemo. Mo tell my comment box 94 me that say.